Hey everybody, I'm just gonna do a little experiment today. I've got a 6x6 tile and I just wiped it off, made sure there was no dirt or whatever. And then I have this disposable strainer. As you can see, I've used it before, but I've used it a little different. Today I'm just gonna do like a strainer pour where you just pour the paint right in it. I don't know if this is the right strainer, that's why I'm trying it on a tile. So I have just done a pour using metallics, and I had a little bit left in the cup, so I flipped the cup over just to let some of the paint come out, and then I'm going to set this in there. I've got cobalt blue, regular blue, purple, yellow, white, and silver, and they're all metallics from Loft. And the cup has silicone in it. The regular little cups do not. So I'm going to take this off. There was just a little bit in there, so I'm just going to set this in there a little bit. And I think what I'm going to do is just start off with a little bit of white just to get it going here. And I don't even know, I might not even have enough paint. And then we're going to go with some blue. I may have to lift it. I'm not even really sure. Okay. And then I will try to get a little bit, I don't know if I have much yellow left. I don't even know how this is going to turn out. And we'll go with the cobalt blue. I don't really see anything. Oh, it's coming out slowly. It's coming out under there slowly. You can't really see because of this lip right there. Alright, and let's see, I'll put a little silver. Just using up all the rest that I had left over. And actually I'm just going to try to get out the rest of the blue. It's not much. It might not even be worth it. Alright, that's about it of that. And now we've got the purple. Okay. Let's see, I think I'm just gonna lift it slowly. That looks really pretty. This actually looks really pretty in there too. Alright, so what I'm gonna do first is get my torch. Looks like there's some air bubbles, so I'm going to try to pop those. Actually, I need a few little. Right now, I'm just going to run it slow. I really like how this turned out. Okay, I think what I'm going to do, I do have some regular white, and I'm just going to put it along the edges. Whoa. Actually, it's just starting to kind of go over the edges by itself. At least on that side. Okay, I don't want to lose any more that way. this way a touch. And try to get it back into the center. Alright, so that actually turned out pretty cool. Alright, I'll give you guys a close-up. I'll try to start from the top. There we go. I know there's a glare. I'm trying to avoid it. But it turned out really, really pretty. The middle part looks really pretty. A little bit of silicone. And that design looks really, really cool. Alright, so I think this was a successful experiment, and I will definitely be trying it on a bigger surface, canvas or a wood canvas, I'm not really sure, but I will definitely be trying it. That strainer worked out pretty good. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.